everyone, myself Karan Patel. Welcome to Python basic tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to run Python script, how to use Python shell. To run the Python, open Python IDLE. Here you can see Python shell. In a Python shell, you can run a very basic and the first line syntax. Like for example, on a top right corner, you can see Python version. Start writing print and whatever you want to write, press enter and you will see the output. This is a very basic syntax that how person can run a Python line. To do more complex program, go to file, click on a new and you will see the new file of Python. Here you can write anything, a long program. For a basic tutorial, we just write print syntax. Hashtag is used for a comment in a Python. Click on a run. You can press F5 as well. OK to save the file. I save file on a desktop with a name basic print. You can choose file type, just make it on a Python and save. You can see here print current, which is output of our code. To open already exist file, just go on a file again, click on a open, go to the path of Python file where you saved and open. Here you get the file and Python code. For that, click on a run and here you with your output. After taking a basic idea of syntax and how to run program, we just go through a normal syntax like input, addition of a numbers, multiplication of number. Num is equal to input. Input is the API or the syntax of inbuilt Python, so that we input the any number or a string or a float or integer. Write any number and enter. So basically 10 is saved in a num variable. Print num, press enter and you will see the output. To add the two numbers, you have to convert a number into integer, so that we write int into bracket a variable, print the number. We save addition of two numbers into num underscore add, so that's why we print num underscore add. To multiplication, we use variable num underscore mul is equal to we use float here because 1.5 value is not considered in an integer. Print num underscore mul. Press enter and you will see the output. To use all this syntax of Python, we solve a one problem statement of Python coding. Let me show you the code of problem statement. This is the code of problem statement that we will solve in this video. The problem here is if number of hours is greater than 40 hours, number of work hour is greater than 40 hours, then rate of per hour should be multiplied with the 1.5. To solve this, we make this program. We use first hour variable and take input of hours. We use p variable to take a rate of hour. Simply convert both variable into the float, and then we structurize if and else loop. And run. After they run the program, you will see this type of box. This shows because we use quit syntax. If we don't use quit syntax, let me remove this quit syntax. After click on run, F5. And now you can see clear output. Just write 45, rate of hour 10, and here you show the output.